Good morning, our dear friends. The FutureTrend channel is again with you. This morning we'd like to unite all kinds of our analysis in one report, and we will try to be short as briefly as possible. The main topic of today is, of course, the news coming from the United States. And among them, not only kind of news regarding trade policy of the United States, but also politics, as we know now is under the pressure to resign another advisor of the United States President, National Security Advisor McMaster. So we see that a reshuffling of positions among the members of United States President's administrations continue, and that means that probably from this point of view the risk aversion fears still affecting the United States dollar negatively, but only against Japanese yen. As we see, the Japanese yen is number one by strength currency at the moment. And we suggest that the dollar yen is probably a pair to sell on any upticks. That's why we prefer to sell the dollar yen on a possible rebound closer to 107, and also the same applies for euro yen as well, as you can see now it trades below 130.50, and the next barrier to the downside is of course the recent lows around 129.35. Any kind of rebound closer to a short-term downtrend, which lies around 131.90, should be a selling opportunity from our point of view. As you can see, we close our long trade recommendation in the euro dollar. Probably it's time to stand aside because it's very unclear the future, the nearest future of the currency. But anyway, we suggest that here in the euro dollar, any dip closer to a longer term ascending trend line, which lies today around 121.50, should be a buying opportunity to follow the overall longer term trend higher. But it's we prefer to buy the currency around this trend line only on a possible dip below 21.18. The dollar Swiss, as you can see, the dollar Swiss trading around 0.9510. And here we still keep our short trade recommendation with a close stop above 95.35. Overall, the situation, a longer term situation, is still bearish for the currency, but in the short term run probably we could see some higher levels. As regards the euro crosses, we don't have any kind of position at the moment, but we prefer to sell the euro yen, and we still keep our neutral position regarding the euro sterling, and seeking an opportunity to buy on a possible retest of a longer term uptrend in the euro Swiss around 115.20.30. As regards the euro ruble, that's of course a ruble is a driving kind of currency in this pair. And now briefly about commodity block of currencies where we were caught by entry levels in the Australia dollar and New Zealand dollar. Regarding the dollar Canada, as you know, the current trade policy of the United States against Canada of course does not bode well for the Canadian economy and Canadian currency. Also, the last appearance of the Bank of Canada's governor, Mr. Paulos, was more or less dovish. Altogether, we suggest that the next reliable resistance zone is it lies around a longer term downtrend around 132, where we will again try a kind of short position. At the moment that's all. It was our strategy for today. We wish you a nice day ahead, as well as weekend for all of you and for all your families. See you later. Bye bye for now.